Hello, I have not done a video in a long time. Um, but I'm out here today. It's a beautiful day at my 6 unit. So I decided to just do a really short video about my laundry room. Let me show you really quick. My laundry room is located on the first floor. It has only the tenants can access it. It's usually locked, but I unlocked it for the video. And so in the laundry room, I have a regular residential washer, but you can pay using your QR code. So it's a system where you can use the QR code, pay, and then the washer actually starts after you pay. These are my Coinbase washer and dryer here, and my regular residential dryer. So really convenient for me to do the residential one with my Coinbase, because you only have certain technicians to do the Coinbase washer and dryer. So when it needs to get fixed, it takes a longer time for it to get fixed. So I didn't want my tenants to wait too long, so I decided to just have regular washer and dryers. And then there was a company called ShinePay that actually can hook up your regular residential washer and dryer and make it for pay per wash, which was awesome because I didn't really have, it's a lot easier even for my Coinbase, because I can be at home and I'm like, oh, somebody used a washer and dryer today. And I can just click a button and the money moves to my account. So for landlords that want that option, if you have a small room or a small area where you can put a Coinbase washer and dryer, or a pay per wash regular residential for washer and dryer, you have that option. And that is another way for you to get your income, another source of income for your property. So I thought that was cool. So if you have any questions, just show you in the laundry room again. The laundry room, I have my commercial water heater as well over there in the corner. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comments. If you have questions about it, where you get it from, how much it costs, all those other things. If you have any of those, I can answer those questions for you, okay? Bye. I know this is like, oh my goodness, why is she posting already? But I think I might do more of these. And I might scoot over to TikTok too, because I know a lot of people always ask questions about my rentals, especially my multifamily rentals. So I'm here to help. Thanks. Bye.